Hi, cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, and I think this could be attributed to the numerous cyber attacks that have occurred in the last decade or so, creating huge headlines across the internet and in mainstream media. In this video, I want to start by talking about the two disciplines that create the foundation for careers in IT security. And later on, I will talk about two career hacks that will get you on the fast track to getting into cybersecurity. The two disciplines that form the foundations for careers in IT security are information security and cybersecurity. Information security here deals with the policies, processes, tools, and controls that are implemented to protect information, whether physical or digital form, from destruction, manipulation, and unauthorized access. On the flip side, cybersecurity deals with the protection of computer systems, applications, networks, and the cloud from threats that are known and unknown. According to Imperva, a cybersecurity company, cybersecurity is a subcategory of information security. It is important for you to make this distinction between the two disciplines because companies today have not done a really good job of distinguishing the roles in the two disciplines. Largely, you will come across job descriptions that describe one role to be an information security role when actually it is referring to a cybersecurity role, and vice versa. Now let's move right into the career hacks. If you're watching this video, you probably have that lingering thought in your mind on how to get into cybersecurity. Now here's my story. When I was starting out in cybersecurity, I had no idea what I was getting into. The first place I went to was LinkedIn, right here. And I scrolled through different profiles of individuals that were in cybersecurity to get an understanding of what it is that they were doing. Hack 1. You need to acquaint yourself with different roles in cybersecurity. The many companies that are posting job descriptions on their websites. So if there is a company that you think you would like to work for, check in their careers section. There might be a job profile there that describes exactly what you might want to do. Hack number 2, certifications. This is the quickest way you can get into cybersecurity. You have heard it time and time again. From Network Check's channel, from David Bumble's channel, certifications are the best way to validate the skills that you have and what technical abilities you bring to the table. Certifications to me are a proof of value. Now, my top picks for the two certifications you need to get started in cybersecurity are CCNA and the Fortinet NSE courses, which you'll find right here. I will leave the links in the description below so that you can get quick access. Back to the CCNA. The CCNA is a good certification that will get you started with acquainting yourself with knowledge in networks. What you learn in the CCNA: network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, automation and programmability. It is right here in their website. The NSE courses from Fortinet give you a very good foundation in cybersecurity. The first 3 courses are NSE1 through 3, and these just provide the basic knowledge in cybersecurity. Knowledge on threats, knowledge on vulnerabilities, knowledge on networks and systems. The most difficult thing that people, especially in Africa, face when getting started with certifications is the cost. Now, Pearson VUE, a testing center that many of these certification vendors work with, has partnered with numerous institutions, universities, and learning institutions to help people get access to their certifications at a considerably low cost. You might want to check out some institutions that are close to you or universities where you went to, whether they have a Pearson VUE partnership and testing center. Now onto the NSE courses from Fortinet. You might want to start with creating an account on their website to get free access to the first 3 courses that they provide. The NSE 1, 2, and 3 are free, and that is going to save you quite a good amount before you move on to the NSE4, which is their Network Security Administrators, Technical Support Engineers, System Engineers certification. Now, the NSE1, 2, and 3 are vendor neutral certifications. When you move on to the NSE4, they get into the products that they provide and it becomes vendor centric. When I was starting out in my career, I did the CCNA Network Associate level certification and then did the CCNA Security certification. The CCNA Security doesn't exist anymore. CISCO revamped their certification program and now provide a different set of certifications at the associate level. However, I would advise do the CCNA, do the Fortinet NSE1, 2, and 3, and that should get you started. As a bonus, you can throw in the CompTia Security Plus. It is a very good certification that will give you basic knowledge in cybersecurity. In fact, if I can move to Indeed, this is a website that publishes job descriptions, and I have found it to be one of the best websites for career advice. They have very good articles. They post a lot of content on trends in different industries, and that is another place you can find good information to help you get started in cybersecurity. Right here, for example, we have an article showing 11 cybersecurity certifications for beginners. 11 is too many. And my goal through this channel is to share strategies that you can use to help you get started without having to spend too much or do too much. That's why they're career hacks. In here you will see that there is the Certified Ethical Hacker, a really expensive certification for people living in Africa. But the CCNA is also right here, and it is one of the certifications I mentioned. The CompTia Security Plus is right there. You will not find the Fortinet NSE courses on many of these websites. But hey, it is one certification that is going to get you started without spending anything and will give you the knowledge and the hands-on skills that you need. So there you have it. Starting a career in cybersecurity shouldn't be that difficult to do. You now have a few hacks to get you onto the fastest route into cybersecurity. On this channel, I like to share tips, tricks, and hacks that will help you get started in cybersecurity and thrive in the career. I'm preparing more content for the channel to help you ease into learning, leveling up, practicing, and repeating the whole process. So stick around for more videos.